The VentureX Travel Credit Card from Capital One offers several ways to use its travel credits effectively. Travel purchases. You can redeem VentureX travel credits for travel purchases made directly through Capital One Travel or by booking travel through any other platform. Eligible purchases typically include flights, hotels, car rentals, and vacation packages. Statement credits. Once you make a qualifying travel purchase, Capital One will automatically apply a statement credit to your account to offset the cost. This helps reduce your overall travel expenses. Annual renewal. The VentureX card provides a generous annual travel credit that can be used each year to help mitigate the cost of travel-related expenses. Redemption flexibility. You have flexibility in how you redeem these credits, whether for a single large purchase or spread across multiple smaller ones throughout the year. Monitoring usage. Keep track of your travel credits through your Capital One online account or mobile app to ensure they are applied correctly after making eligible travel purchases.